Let's go. Ta-da! Kiha, what is this, my friend? Look at this. So many muddy cars here. Wow, so nice. Okay, no problem, my friend. Let's see. See? A lot of muddy here. Okay, and one of them. Let's go, my friend. Wow, this is so beautiful muddy car here. Beautiful and so muddy. Let's go. Look at this, my friend. Look at this. Fresh water. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, and 3. Let's see, what is this? Let's see. Okay, this one. Would you guess, my friend, what is this? Read up. Wow, beautiful. This is Ramirez.
Not too public. If the press find you, they will be like many, many bugs on.
Very nice. Ramirez, beautiful Ramirez. Okay. This is, what is this? The blue one.
Hey boys, stay with me. And Flo, what'll happen if no one can come to your station to buy gas?
I'll go out of business.
Wow, nice. Very good. Wow. Alright. And what is this, my friend? Oh, this is a loader, my friend. Very good. It's clean already, my friend. See? Okay. What is this, my friend? Amazing. This is drag grass, my friend.
It was a very solid elapsed time that he had in his back pocket anyway, but he didn't need any of it because you can see that flinch on the opposite side of the racetrack.
Wow. Nice. Okay. Hi. What is this? Let's see. Wow. Nice, my friend. This is the Jackson Storm. Nice, Jackson. Jackson. Okay, Jackson. This one is the Sari. Ooh. Look at this, my friend. Beautiful Sari. Hey. This one, what is this? Haha, this is a monster straw. Very good, my friend. Nice. Okay. And what else? This is the red white Lightning McQueen. Hee-ha. Very nice, my friend. Okay. No problems. Clean already. And this one, what is this? Come on, my friend. Come on. This is pole method, my friend. Alright, brown one. Okay. This one, what is this? This is kind of cheap, my friend. Okay, clean already, my friend. This one, the big one. Look at this. Okay, look like Mososa. Wow. Let's see. This is a big truck, my friend. Okay, clean. Okay, what is this? Ooh, the plane, my friend. Good. This one is the white one. This is a police car. Very nice. Clean, my pen. Alright. What is this? Is this the blue one? Okay. Rally car. Very nice. Rally car. Well. Oh, why? This is Tayo, my friend.
Pat!
Tile,
What's going on?
over there.
Huh?
See? Minibus, the blue one. And then, let's see, what is this? Oh, a roller tandem. Haha, nice, good. Very good, my friend. This one is a Molen car, see? Molen car, okay? Hi. This is Thomas, okay, Thomas? Screen go. And this one is a big truck, my friend. See, this is a big truck. Okay, very nice. All right. Where is it? Oh, this one. Okay. This one is the double cabin, my friend. Very good. Well, and what about this? The red one, Tayo.
Right. Oh, nice!
Hey, I've got one.
All right. Very nice, Tayo. And this one, what is this, my friend? Whoa. This is rally car. Amazing, my friend. And what about this? Let's see. Oh my god, this is a fire rescue. Very good, my friend. Nice. What is this, my friend? This is a snow tractor. Wow, very good. And this one is a Formula One.
Now is Hamilton poised to strike back at Lando Norris.
Friend, see, clean already. Good. Aha! Again, my friend Tayo. This is the green one.
You took it, didn't you?
What? No, why would I?
What do you mean, why? You were jealous?
Wow, good. The last one. See, what is this? Muddy. Wow, this is a rally car.
Scored 10 wins at his home event.
I'm a bit emotional about that. It's an amazing achievement.
Okay, very nice, my friend. See, it's clean already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.